variants that are available or that are currently circulating. And what we have seen is, we've seen an increase in cases among unvaccinated people, which includes children. So over the last several months, we've seen an uptick in the number of children who have been infected and a number of children who have required hospitalization and in some cases developed severe disease. So I think that's something that we're worried about, and it's another reason that we really need to step up our game in terms of getting people vaccinated. We're probably not going to make President Biden's goal of getting 70% of the country vaccinated by July 4th, but that doesn't mean we still can't continue to make progress until the school year to try to make sure that we decrease community transmission as much as possible.
And Doctor, from your perspective, what do you think will kind of help move, I don't mean to make a pun here, but help move the needle as it relates to getting more folks vaccinated? What do you think are the biggest challenges out there?
Live from the heart of North Hills and Atlanta, Georgia, hour 1 of the McMahon Drive-In begins right now. I am your lovable, huggable, and adorable host.
Mass vaccination sites, turning towards localized efforts instead. But across the South and Midwest, the race to get shots in arms growing more urgent as the deadly and dangerous Delta variant takes hold.
That's one less family member that's going to be celebrating Independence Day.
Missouri seeing an alarming rise in new cases, up 59% over the last 2 weeks, the highest in the country. Health officials in Greene County, home to Mercy Springfield Hospital, estimate the Delta variant is responsible for up to 90% of new cases there.
We're seeing it spiking in a much younger population.
Craig McCoy, president of Mercy Springfield Communities, says the key is getting younger people vaccinated.
It's not a political thing. It's what we all need to do to protect ourselves and to protect each other and to help get our communities and our nation back to where we need to be.
Meanwhile, in Florida, the highest daily average of new cases, more than 1,400. A COVID outbreak forcing one county there to close its entire administrative headquarters after 2 people died and several were hospitalized.
Of these 5 cases who were younger people, by the way, these.
No, you get out. No, you get out.
No. Bueno, sí.
Hey!
I'm gonna fall.
5 members of the IT department got sick and 2 people died, which led the county to close that building early on Friday for a deep cleaning. All of the people who became ill were not vaccinated against COVID-19, so the county is strongly recommending wearing a mask for employees and visitors who are not fully vaccinated. A huge win for college athletes. The Supreme Court sided with them, arguing the NCAA's limits on the types of benefits they can receive is illegal. Now the NCAA can no longer bar colleges from providing athletes with education-related benefits. These include things like free laptops and paid postgraduate internships. College athletes have long argued they should be compensated for their participation in sports. This ruling could lead to even more changes in the way these athletes are compensated. Local school districts are teaming up with the health department in a push to get kids 12 and older vaccinated against COVID-19. The Pasco County School District